Today we're reviewing a model that has recently attracted attention in the electric vehicle world, the Geely EX2. But does this vehicle really meet expectations? Its affordable price makes it attractive, but what does it offer in terms of performance, range, and comfort? If you're considering buying an electric SUV, this video is for you. The Geely EX2 is a fully electric compact SUV produced by the Chinese automotive giant Geely. Designed especially for city driving, this vehicle stands out for its economy. The EX2 is actually a simple, minimalist, and functional vehicle. So, if you have luxury expectations, this vehicle may not appeal to you. But if you say, I want it to get me from point A to point B at an affordable cost, then the EX2 comes into play. We've become accustomed to seeing sharp lines and aggressive designs in the electric car world. However, Geely is shifting the course in a completely different direction with its new EX2 model, towards sympathy and elegance. Today, we take a closer look at the exterior design details of the Geely EX2, the new and charming face of urban mobility. The first thing that catches your attention when you look at the Geely EX2 is that the car almost seems to be smiling at you. The front panel, which the brand calls Smile Face, has a completely closed and smooth surface, unlike traditional grilles. This is not only an aesthetic choice, but also an aerodynamic move that reduces the vehicle's drag coefficient. The feather-inspired LED headlights, inspired by feather motifs, give the vehicle a soft yet technological look. These headlights are not only stylish, but also have an illumination capacity of up to 170 meters. With its length of 4.1 meters, the EX2 is a true city car. However, thanks to its design, it looks wider and more stable than it actually is. Geely engineers state that they applied the 0.618 golden ratio rule to the vehicle's stance. This creates a perfect balance between wheelbase and body height. The door handles embedded in the body reduce wind resistance, while the star pattern details on the C-pillar, referencing its Chinese name, Star Wish, add a premium feel to the vehicle. The four-leaf cloverleaf wheels, which vary depending on the equipment package, complete the energetic look. The rounded and soft lines of the front continue at the rear. The vertically positioned taillights and simple bumper design create a look free from clutter. Geely has emphasized pastel tones in this model. Color options such as pistachio green, ice blue, and powder pink prove that the EX2 appeals to a young and dynamic target audience. Personalization is also possible with a two-tone roof option. In short, the Geely EX2 boasts a friendly and modern design, far from being aggressive. Its compact size makes parking easy in the city, while its design successfully attracts attention. We're opening the door of the Geely EX2, whose exterior design has captured our hearts. While it looks compact from the outside, stepping inside will surprise you with its spaciousness and intelligent living space. Let's take a closer look at Geely's formula of big comfort in a small car. The first thing that catches your attention upon entering is the city skyline-themed decorative panels. The illuminated cityscape graphics above the glove compartment and on the door panels add a completely different atmosphere to the cabin during night driving. The interior generally features two-tone color combinations. Sky mirror blue or cream tones make the cabin look much more spacious and brighter. The surprisingly soft textured materials and elegant stitching details are proof of how much Geely has elevated its quality perception. At the heart of the interior is a massive touchscreen. However, the real star here isn't the screen size, but the software inside. The Geely EX2 uses the Flyme Auto operating system developed by Meizu. It offers a fluid, fast, and customizable interface, just like a high-end smartphone. The voice command system and smartphone integration work flawlessly. In front of the driver is a simple but clear digital instrument panel. Unnecessary clutter has been avoided, making it completely driver-focused. The Geely EX2 teaches a lesson in space efficiency. The vehicle has a total of 35 different storage compartments. Instead of a classic flip-up lid, the glove compartment pulls out like a drawer, offering both a deeper volume and making it easier to access your belongings. Thanks to the floating console design, a large space has been created at the bottom. You can easily store your bag or shoes here. You can fit it there. Thanks to its 2,650mm wheelbase, rear legroom is on par with vehicles in a higher segment. The flat floor allows even 3 people to travel comfortably. The interior of the Geely EX2 is designed not just as a means of transportation, but almost like a mobile office or rest area on wheels. It's ready to appeal to young people with its technology and to families with its practical solutions. With its appealing exterior design and technologically advanced interior, what does the Geely EX2 promise when it hits the road? Today, we're focusing on the power under the hood, or rather, the battery, of this compact behemoth, its range figures, and driving dynamics. Ready? Let's take a look at the EX2's performance data. The Geely EX2 comes in two different performance options. The entry-level model features a 58 kilowatts, 78 horsepower engine, while those wanting more power can opt for the top-of-the-range version with 85 kilowatts, or approximately 114 horsepower. This engine, providing 150 newton-meters of torque, accelerates the vehicle from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in just 4.6 seconds. This agility will give you a significant advantage when starting off from traffic lights in the city. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration is approximately 11.5 seconds. It's not a race car, but it's more than sufficient for city traffic. For highway use, the vehicle's speed is electronically limited to 130 kilometers per hour. When it comes to performance in electric vehicles, the first thing that comes to mind is range. The EX2 uses Geely's new generation LFP, lithium iron phosphate, batteries. The standard version offers approximately 310 kilometers of range with a 30.1 kilowatt-hour battery, while the top version, with a 40.8 kilowatt-hour battery, increases the range to 410 kilometers CLTC. These figures mean that a single charge may be sufficient for your weekly city driving. The vehicle's energy consumption is only around 11.8 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. This makes it one of the most efficient models in its class. If you're short on time, the EX2 won't disappoint. Thanks to DC fast charging support, you can charge your battery from 30% to 80% in just 25 minutes. Additionally, a full charge with a home AC charger takes approximately 6 to 7 hours. With a turning radius of just 4.95 meters, you can turn even in the narrowest streets in a single maneuver. In the city, there's nothing more luxurious than that. In short, the Geely EX2 is not just a cute face. It also offers a sensible performance package with its efficient engine and advanced suspension system. The independent rear suspension is particularly surprising at this price point. So, should you buy a Geely EX2? If you're looking for a vehicle for daily city use, you want an economical electric vehicle, luxury and performance aren't your priorities. Yes, the Geely EX2 might be a sensible choice for you. But if you're looking for more powerful performance, longer range, and a premium feel, you should look at different models. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. What do you think about the Geely EX2? Would you buy it? Let's discuss in the comments. See you in the next video.